A lot of the feedback, they like seeing the whole system put together. I don't think we've ever really showed an over and under system at a show before. My name's TJ Tatum. I'm a digital sales specialist for Bosch Rexroth. So what we have behind me here is our factory automation demo. It's got several different of our technologies in here. We've got our assembly technologies, which includes all of our conveyance and aluminum framing. We've got our linear technologies, which is all of the actuators you see behind me, and then we have some of our controls technologies on here too. So we've got our Control-X core kind of driving everything. We've got some servo drives and motors on here, and we're running just a simple over and under pallet-based system. So think of this as a long assembly line. Ours only has 2 stations on it. Typical assembly line is going to have a lot more of those. Typical application with this, anybody assembling anything from small cell phones all the way up to car parts, doors and frames fit on our pallets. They adapt and change as we need to. And biggest deal is we don't have to have all the stations be synchronized together. They can move asynchronously. The belts are always moving. Pallets can stop and go from the stations as needed. We can put multiple stations in a row to do some parallel processing so we can get most efficient cycle times out of the machine. So Bosch Rexroth is a German company. Most of these were designed and built out of Germany. We've got manufacturing in North Carolina, where we'll cut a lot of this extrusion down to size. We'll build up the elevators there, and some of the other components we'll ship out. That's where a lot of it's manufactured and made. And then we send out the pieces out, they get assembled on site. Some get assembled off site and then brought in later. Depends on the application. We're in a lot of markets already. We are looking to see heavier emphasis on a lot of the battery assembly. We've got a TS7. The guy that's in here is a TS2. The numbers kind of indicate how much weight it carries. So we're going from the TS2 to the TS7, which is going to be much heavier payloads, which goes into the battery manufacturing. Those are the big ones. We're also seeing some medical and pharma applications, electronics manufacturing. We're in a lot of areas. A lot of the feedback, they like seeing the whole system put together. I don't think we've ever really showed an over and under system at a show before. And then also the controls technology that we have on here. I've got 2 different controllers running this entire machine. We're running our Control-X software. It's more of an app-based controller than it is a dedicated PLC. So I've got a motion app running on there. I've got a PLC app running on it. I've got an OPC-UA server app. So I've got one core that's talking EtherCAT, it's talking Profinet, it's talking Bus, and it's also talking Ethernet back to another core that's running the Cartesian robot that's doing the full axis kinematics of a 3-axis Cartesian. I think that's been really impressive, just seeing the flexibility of what that controller can do on the market today. All these are available today. We've got some, like our old pneumatic elevator. I think we're seeing that trend more to the electrical elevator that's using a servo drive. But for the most part, all these products are out today and ready to go.